Hello everybody, welcome back. YAJE here, and I'm in the garden today. I did harvest some corn. This is the African Dent corn, the Cameroon type of corn that I planted for the second time this year. I'm going to harvest the corn. Most of them are on the ground from that hurricane. I'm gonna harvest and see what we have. This is the African corn, the Dent corn, the one that is usually cultivated to make like corn flour out of, but we do eat it fresh. So I planted the corn in my zone 9 garden on the 6th of July, and I'm harvesting today the 22nd of September. So maybe around 77 days or so. Normally it should take between 85 and 90 days for the corn to mature, but because of that tropical storm that came through the area, it pushed the corn down to the earth, and animals were beginning to eat the corn. I just let it be for like 1 week, because the corn was not quite mature. But today I decided to harvest the corn, and I was almost scared. Actually, I was scared to open the corn and find out if there were grains inside, actual grains inside, because I didn't plant too much of it.